Hey peeps. I'm supposed to be cleaning my basement because tomorrow I have all of these ladies coming for our monthly bunko. But I can't because look, I got 2 happy boxes today. So this one, we're gonna open this one first and see what's in it. I'm so excited. Yeah, totally not prepared to film anything, but I didn't want to open it and y'all not get to see. So I hope this, I haven't used my camera in so long, because I've just been doing things on my iPhone. But I have my video camera set up and I haven't used it in so long. I hope it's recording, because I don't know. What did I order? I know it's not new stuff. I know that because they were having a big sale on the Happy Planner site. So I'm like, hello, who wouldn't want a $19.99 book for $8 or $9? So this one is the one I did not own, which is Alphabet, and it's not new or anything like that. And then I got Color Story, which I do own this already. But in one of my other, I just love all the quotes and stuff in this one. They're just so pretty. But in one of my other videos, I told you, I think it was last week, about how I pulled all my sticker books apart and I thought I was going to like it, and now I don't. So now I can just have one that's all together. So that's Color Story. And this is rainbow, and I also have a rainbow, but isn't that purple gorgeous? And they've got foiling in here. So fun. So just another sticker book. What's this? Stickers. 766 stickers. Really? Oh, this is one of the things you can put in your Happy Planner, but what I have found is it makes it too thick because I have so much stuff in my Happy Planner that when I take one of these thicker ones and stick it in there, so let's see what's in here. Looks like a lot. Looks like something that I should take to work for my work planner. What? Yeah, it's like a bunch of checklists and rescheduled, scheduled. So I have a bunch of this in another book that I took apart. So this one probably would work better for my work planner. And then this one, let's see what this one is. I order stuff and then I forget what I ordered. So it is also something, but see, this one's a lot thinner. So this one would fit in your planner a lot better than this thicker one. Yeah, because like this one has 135 pieces where that other one had 776. Cute. All right. So just stickers, nothing hugely exciting, but it's always exciting to get Happy Mail. Now, I know what's in this box because I'm pretty stoked I finally got it. So this is a Happy Box. And is this the top? Yes. And I know that I've seen videos on it, but this is the first time that I've purchased a Happy Box. I think they're the boxes that are like $50. And you get different things inside of them. So let's see. Oh, yeah. You get this cute hat that says Plan a Happy Life. Super cute little hat. Oh, yeah. It's a cute makeup bag or pencil bag or whatever. Plan a Happy Life. It's got rose gold foiling. Very nice. Cute. It's your year to shine. Happy things inside. So much happiness. Oh, here's a list of everything. See, so my camera is upside down to me right now, so I don't know if this is upside down to you or what. So we're gonna find out. Anyway, this is everything that's in there. Hey there, Planner Babe. Oh, it's got a cup. So excited. Let's see, let's see. Get this big box out of the way so we can see everything. Love these colors. Okay, let's look at the mug. Love it. And thank you for putting it on both sides. I hate it when my mug says something on one side because it's usually the side that, since I'm right-handed, that only I see. So then I try to use it the wrong way so other people can see what it says, which is retarded. I know. But nice big mug. Cute. Throw that away. The girls tomorrow are just going to have to understand that Happy Planner came. This is your year. Oh, little pin. Cute. Oh, I saw, yeah. I'm pretty sure it was At Home with Kita, where she used these stickers, and I was so sad that I didn't have them. These are such beautiful colors, so it is rose gold. But with the blue and the lavender, I just love it. Got lavender, blue, kind of a corally color. Oh, God, I love it. Super cute. And I love when they use like these watercolor swatches. Like this. Those are great for backgrounds and stuff when you want to layer things. And a lot of, you know, these are for planners, but let me tell you, this stuff works super cute on scrapbook pages and cards that you're making. So you don't have to just use it on planners for you crafty people out there. So you have this super cute sticker book, and then these are Post-it notes. Love it. Okay. Then this beautiful washi tape. It's got the gold foiling in it as well. Cute. So I love that there is a cover for half sheets. Happy Planner, if you're listening, could you like make a set of these? Because I keep half sheets all together and I have them dashboard as the front and the back. But I love having half sheet covers and it makes it super easy. This becomes like a super great notebook. I mean, hello, perfect. Who wouldn't love that? What's this? Oh, I totally forgot. It has a desk calendar. Hello, 2019. I love desk calendars that will sit up. Let's get in the glare. So one of my lights I don't have on, so you're getting a bad glare here. Super cute. Awesome. Love that. And then you get these, I think there's more than one sheet in here. I think there's two. Oh, there's more of these. Oh, and they're a little bigger. Love that. And then some alpha stickers. Happy Planner. Nothing makes me happier than getting new Happy Planner stuff. Shine Bright Planner Babe. So this looks like it's got a pocket. Goal, long term. Oh, love this. Let's see if they're all the same. No. So let's... So we've got two different kinds. We have goals. So you've got your long-term, progress, weekly, yada yada, all of that. And the back is just progress, not perfection, just a place that you could make some notes. Super cute. And then these, I mean, I just love that. I know I sound retarded, but I'm telling you, I love this stuff. There's nothing better. So this is just note paper, decorated super cute on both sides. And then we got just the covers, so we can put on this cover of the Happy Planner that I'm currently using. But that's so beautiful. I think I will switch it to this. That's just gorgeous. Awesome. So I got like a lot of super cool stuff in this box. All right, so that's all I wanted to do was open it so that now I can go play with it, and then I have to go and finish cleaning up my craft room down here because the girls will be here tomorrow and it ain't looking good. All right, thanks for stopping. See you guys later. Bye.